This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Impressive Victorian situated on corner lot in historic Ghent. A history lover's dream, this stately home features all brick exterior complete west turret, tiger oak woodwork, beveled glass mirrors, and authentic Victorian craftsmanship. The grand foyer is flanked by dual parlors, west original pocket doors and ornamental FPS. Expansive formal dining room, west/coffered ceiling. Spacious kitchen, west butler's pantry, private study, and powder room complete first level. Second level, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths and spa room. Third level, 3 bedrooms, walk-in closet, attic storage. Basement, 3 RMS and laundry. Exterior, front and side porch.